Alright guys, welcome back to another video of S.B.F Sports. Today we're going to be learning how to do 180 flat on a ramp and when you're jumping out of a ramp. Let's get it. Alright, let's get right into it. So first it's going to be how to do 180 flat. First you're going to do a bunny hop. If you haven't seen that video already, link in the description. Alright, so let's get right into it. So you want to do a bunny hop, and then while you're doing it, you want to turn your bars and turn your head so you get the spin motion. So it's going to look something like this. If you're not comfortable spinning all the way first, you can just go bit by bit so you can get the feel of it. And then once you get the full thing, you should look like something like that. And then you'll be able to do it in bowls, ramps, anything on the street. The other thing is you can do it, let's teach you now how to do it on a ramp. Alright, so when you're doing it on the ramp, you want to kind of come up and turn your bars in your head, and you want to lift off at the point which is right around here, on my front toe, right around there. And then you are able to come up, turn your bars in time, and turn your head so you can land back in. So when you're doing it, you want to kind of come up, turn your bars, and turn your head. If you're not comfortable with doing it the full way first, come up, go sideways, or you can even, if you don't want as much speed, start on the ramp, go back here, and go back here. If you're fully comfortable, you can just go in and do full 180. The next thing you can do with 180, you can do it on a quarter pipe, which is this. It's a quarter of a half pipe. So, when you're coming up, you don't want to go too much, I'm just going to fly out of the rail. So, what you want to do, you want to come up, turn yourself, but if you're going to turn so big so you don't clip your tyre, go back. So you want to come with a bit less speed, but you want to kind of turn your bars, not your head too much because you might fall. So, it's going to look a bit like this. If you're too scared to do it on a high rep, just try it on a smaller one like this. And then when it starts, you want to come up. Now, a few tips and tricks is start on a smaller ramp if you're scared, or start wider. Turn when you're turning, go wider, not fully in straight. That way you can get a feel of it like this. Go wider. Go a bit more wider. That way you don't fall back, you have your foot ready. If you're fully confident, you can just go straight for it like this. Another way to learn how to do 180 is to do it on the corner of a ramp like that. This is the easiest way. If you have another ramp, preferably on a straight ramp that's next to it, you can turn out and land straight back on it. And you won't be as painful when you land. So when you do it, you want to kind of go bit by bit, so low, turn. Or if you're not comfortable when you're going the full way first, like usual, go 90. And then you want to just keep going and going until you get the full 180, and you should look like this. With the 180, you can do it anywhere you want, like I said, anywhere on the skate park, once you get really comfortable. But anyways, that's a wrap. See you in the next one. Peace.